Hiya, my name is Adam Pearl and I'm a currency strategist at Dodjit.com. I would first of all just like to welcome everyone to our daily chart analysis video. These videos are going to be posted on our website every other day. Now, in these videos, what we're going to do is we're going to focus on the Forex, on the stock market. We're going to be showing you different types of charts each video. And we're going to show you different scenarios, different things that we're looking at as we go along during the video. Now, during the video itself, what we're going to do is we're going to plot the trend lines, we're going to plot the support and resistance levels, and really analyze the charts as we go along. Alright then, now the first chart that I've brought up is the SPY. It's a spider, it tracks the S&P 500. We can see over here it's a daily chart. And what happened yesterday was that after jumping up due to the existing home sales increase, the intraday session just couldn't hold on to its gains and started decreasing throughout the session. And what happened in the end was that we actually formed a dodgy candlestick. Well, basically what that means is that, you know, at the moment there's a lot of uncertainty in the market, especially with the financial sector. Banks are falling. Even though Barclays yesterday in England, they stated that they are in profit, they're not going to need any more funding or any funding at all to continue throughout 2009. But the rest of the financial market, the rest of the broader market isn't looking that good. That's one of the reasons why we received this dodgy candlestick over here. We are holding at the moment above the 80 level, this support line. And what I would like to see is I would like to see some type of bullish candle, you know, a nice big bullish candle to break through this area here and continue higher. Obviously, if we're gonna continue to receive bad data, bad news, so we could head lower. This is a critical level right here. If we manage to hold above this level, I'm talking about hold above support, then we could continue higher. Basically, we're going to just have to look at the upcoming session, the next couple of days, and see what's going on, and we'll keep you posted about this trade. Now, what I've done is I've just jumped over to the Forex market for a second due to the strong correlation between certain currency pairs and the S&P 500. I just want to show you two extra charts, stuff that we're looking at. And one of the charts is the euro against the dollar. This trade actually was also posted on our forum under the Forex section. And what I'm looking at the moment is like this. Number one, we have broken our downtrend resistance level. We're heading slightly higher. Now, this is actually in line with support just around this area. We were consolidating around this area, so we are breaking slightly higher. What I would like to see is I would like to see the open of the US session to see if this is going to follow through. I'm a little bit skeptical at the moment, especially with what's going on in the European markets and especially with all the bad data coming out. If we take a look at the RSI is heading towards the 50 mark. I want to see if we're going to cross that. I'm more of a conservative trader on this currency pair due to all the economic data that's coming out, due to all the volatility. So what I would do is, if you are thinking of taking the euro dollar, or if you're trading the euro dollar more longer term, I'm talking about a couple of days and not intraday trades. So I would look for a confirmation candle around this area and not just a break like we saw yesterday. Now, another chart what I want to bring up is the dollar against the Japanese yen. Here you can see over here it's the dollar against Japanese yen. It's a daily chart. Now, what this chart has actually formed, it's actually formed a type of double bottom. We can see here one bottom, here another bottom. Now, if we look at the smaller trends, we can also see that we are now breaking this downtrend. It's like kind of like a triangle, a bearish triangle, but we are breaking above the trend line. Again, what I want to do is I want to see how the US session opens. I want to see if this strength, if today's strength is going to follow through. I'm not going to receive a false break. If we look at the RSI, we can also see that the peaks have been broken. This downtrend line has been broken. That's basically about it. So how am I going to plan my trades? What I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for the US Open to start. I want to see the relative strength in the US session. I want to see if the US session is going to pull all these charts higher, and basically from there I'm going to decide if I'm going to go into the trades or not, and I'll keep you posted about what's going on. Obviously all these trades are posted on our market briefing and on our forums, so take a look. Have a nice day. Bye.